13 years in school and not one class on how to manage your money? Let's change that. These are 5 powerful money lessons I had to learn the hard way because school never taught them. Let's make sure you don't have to. Lesson 1. How to make money. Work for you. School teaches you how to earn money, but not how to multiply it. You're told to get a job, not to build assets. The truth? Wealthy people don't just work for money, they make their money work for them. Lesson 2. The power of compound interest. If I had learned this in high school, I'd be way ahead right now. Compound interest is when your money earns money, and then that money earns money too. Lesson 3. Your income is based on value, not time. Some people make $20 per hour, others make $2,000 per hour. It's not about time, it's about value. Solve bigger problems, get paid bigger money. Lesson 4. Credit is a tool, not the enemy. Most of us were taught to fear credit. But credit, when used wisely, is leverage. Good credit can fund a business, buy property, or earn rewards. Bad credit? That's just miseducation, not a life sentence. Lesson 5. The system trains workers, not owners. From kindergarten to college, we're trained to follow, not own. But freedom comes from ownership of your time, income, and assets. In closing, these money truths changed my life, and I'm here to help you change yours. If even one of these hit you, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop in the comments what you wish school taught about money. This is Your Money Moves, and we're just getting started.